Omo, you don't ever rest well after work and just smile say, I don't finish am. Dis na exactly wetin God do for Genesis chapter 2. Dis one no be about more creation, na about peace, rest and purpose. From Sabbath day rest to special garden for man, to even how land dey blessed with gold and water. Dis chapter sweet no be small. Make we break am together. For Genesis chapter 2, verse 1, e talk say, heaven and earth and everything inside am don complete. Everything wey God plan don finish. God no dey leave work halfway. For verse 2, on the seventh day, God rest from all the work wey him do. God rest not because him tire, but to show us say rest na only thing too. Even God no work 24/7. You unko. For verse 3, God bless the seventh day and make am holy, because na that day him rest. Sabbath no be just day off, na God ordained recharge time. For verse 4, this na the story of how God take create heaven and earth. The Bible dey zoom in now like camera focus on sin again. For verse 5, no bush or farm yet, because rain never fall and man never till the land. God get timing. Everything get season. Wait for your own rain. Verse 6 make us to understand say, but small mist dey come from ground dey water the earth. Even when rain never fall, God still dey water your ground. Provision fit no loud o, but e dey. For verse 7, God form man from dust and breathe life inside am. Man become living soul. See that love? God no just create man with mouth. He take hand and breath do am. You special pass ordinary sand. For verse 8, God plant garden for Eden and put the man wey him form there. God no just create you, he prepare environment for you to flourish. Verse 9 tell us say, God grow every sweet and fine tree, tree of life and tree of knowledge dey middle. Enjoyment full Eden, but also choice dey center, life or knowledge. Verse 10 tell us say river dey flow from Eden to water the garden. From there e divide into 4 branches. Water of life dey flow nyafu nyafu. Verse 11 to 12 tell us say the first river na Pidgin, e surround land of Avila. That land get gold. The gold good well, and aromatic resin and oxen stone dey there. So no be just spiritual blessing. God bless land with resources too. God dey put man where gold dey flow, but man still go dig am. Lessons wey we go fit learn from Genesis chapter 2 verse 1 to 12 be say, 1. Rest na holy. No kill yourself with non-stop work. 2. You no be mistake. God form you with love and breath. 3. Wait for God timing. Rain go fall when the ground ready. 4. Choose life daily. The tree still dey. Decision still matter. 5. Everything you need fit already dey around you. Look well. The benefit of Genesis chapter 2 verse 1 to 12 to man be say, 1. God give us rest to enjoy peace and reflect. 2. We get value because God form us with care, not by accident. 3. Our environment matter o. God place man in garden, not desert. 4. God dey provide even before rain fall. 5. God prepare blessing like gold and beauty for man to discover. So my people, this Genesis chapter 2 verse 1 to 12, e show say God care, God plan and he provide. From rest to river, from dust to destiny. Remember say God still dey water the ground and prepare gold for you. Drop say God no go forget me for the comment section. If this word wey you dey hear so touch you, abeg make una no forget to subscribe, share and comment. Abeg una, so that this message e go reach a lot of people wey wan hear Bible for Pidgin English.
So for the next episode, we go see how man take dey live for the Garden of Eden. E go sweet o, abeg make una no forget to look out for am.